Come on, put it on the ball. Well, good morning from SMP. And we got typical German shit show problems already. I guess this one is kind of pissed off like the green one is, and was like, you know what? I need some love out of the package. Because like, I put this thing on the trailer and it was operating like perfect. We did a burnout before we put it on the trailer. I mean, it was okay. I'd give it a 2. She's already got some MAF codes. I guess it was cold enough that the MAF got pissed. Maybe it's the air temperature because it was warm where we were. It's also, we need to change that O2 right there.
It's nice and warm in here.
Oh, it'll stay warm for a while. And then, oh, it's got a small coolant leak from up here. The battery I thought that was good is not good, and we didn't bring a battery charger. We may try to find a Harbor Freight in the middle of no man's land, or just a Walmart. Probably a Walmart. Oh, and it thinks it's got a charge pressure deviation, wherever that is. I mean, it's a 2.7. So we're gonna get some things figured out here, and yeah.
It's gonna be a good one.
It's starting off with all the cars being broke, so it better be. I wonder if he's gonna parallel park it. Oh, they keep coming. We couldn't go to Walmart, you know. The auto aisle's right there, and they put the autos. Oh, I hate my life some days.
What are we fixing?
Found a hose clamp that's busted. I thought this charge pipe looked a little funky, and car was telling us we had a little bit of positive deviation. It wasn't lying. Yeah, there's some cool cars out here. I wonder if it's a 318.
G Nation out here.
Yo, they are
so many G's.
You want a vert, you want a sedan, you want a coupe. Take your pick. Like, yo, real talk though, it is kind of cool though. When you think about how many people can, like, you can interchange parts with.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh, I blew a diff. My boy's got one. Meanwhile, we're over here with a bed full of shit. Service our shit box. Positive deviation wasn't a lie. We blew a hose clamp. Definitely worn out. $1 million problem though is we have no hose clamps in there and none in there. So, and none in the car. I think we're gonna go see if we can search for the one universal part we might be able to borrow from somebody. Hey, we found one. G35 guy, ironically, had all the parts we need. I think that'll work. Hopefully that'll work. Let's find out.
Well, we're about to find out.
I'm gonna plug the MAF back in real quick, but it's making boost at least. I'll be right back. Oh man. Oh,
yo, she's slick.
This thing's got a lot. What is on the, oh, it's wet. Found new problem. We've got cars working. VSS isn't giving us a problem. No more limiter. Thank you, Brad. Sent him an EEPROM last night before we left, and he sent us back a file. Oh my gosh. Yo, fun fact, do not sleep in your car or truck and like turn and rotate on the console. Oh, awful idea. Awful idea. Anyway, we have what looks to be a leaking brake caliper. Which means we've only got two options. Option one is we either replace it. Option two is we try to find some caps that we can block off the brake lines with, at least in this corner. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find them. That would be the ideal scenario. It's not what I intended. Option C, we really don't want to do it, is we send it / just block off the entire rear. We can do it up here. Like I could block off the back of the car from here, but once again, not something I really want to do. Not sure. We gotta have to call some parts stores, see if we can find parts. That's the plan right now. And maybe take a nibble of my lunch. Where's my...
Come on, put it on the ball. Drift car, right? And this fool is trying to shed some weight, and he pulls out a fresh, full-size donut that's still got fucking tits on it.
Shit! It looked like something in the power steering officially gave. The question is, what and where is it? Is it a mendable thing? Hopefully it's not the rack itself. Let me wrap my mind around here what's going on.
It's up here.
You think it's up here? Oh yeah, look.
Draw to the side.
You're right. You're right. Oh, I found it! Right down here. One of our lines right there just came off. No big deal.
20 minutes later.
How bad is it? How bad? There's no damage in it. What is that? What is that? That's nothing. Yo, it's mint.
2 hours later.
On two. So I was like, well, I need to get another car. So I came across this G37. So I bought the G37.
Day 2.
It is. I turned the beep off, that's right. Forgot I did that. Well, good morning. Day 2 of SMP Drift. And your boy feels like utter shit. We went and ate Flip Daddies last night. And I'm not blaming Flip Daddies, but the Knight's Tales bathrooms are too small, and I've gotten to know them very, very well. Anyway, we're gonna try. We're using a good old-fashioned Pepto here. We're trying to get ourselves right. Didn't drink. It wasn't drinking. It was literally something I ate. Like, dude, the gas was ridiculous. Oh. Anyway, I'm not gonna vent too much. I'll be back. Said I was gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. Feeling better, honestly. Like my stomach still feels like shit, but we're gonna do it. We came here to do the thing. We're gonna keep doing the thing. Tell you what though, between Sprite, Pepto-Bismol, I think anyone can get through anything. Hey, what kind of Capri Suns you got there?
What kind you drink?
Shit. Colton, this one's for you, my dude. No, just know, if you're seeing this in 2050 or whenever you are, it's okay to be a kid once in a while. Even if you are an adult. Keep it home to the roots. Just, don't pop a hole in it. What'd you do? Did you go all the way through it?
No.
I don't see anything broken. Do you?
Can you blew a ball joint?
Is that all?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe. I like his floor jack though. Like, that's legit.
What?
What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? What? Mr. Get Walkins came through. We are gonna load up something a little bit more saucy. Totally screwed that one all up. You know what I did? Didn't hit the button. Wah, wah. At any rate, so we got our new tune from Brad. If you've never used an F-Moto, anytime you're using it and you're writing a new file, you always want to make sure write flat, full write. If you're doing something like you've modified it or something, you can get away with a diff write, but we don't. We need to do a full write. Yes, I know. So, and away she goes.
20 minutes later.
All right, there we go. 19 to 19 sectors, click OK. Cycle it back. Let's see what it does. That's cool. That's cool. Let's go see what this is like. Get Walkins, Saucy Boys, V1. Let's see what happens. Oh. All right, here we go, V2. I might have a bad clutch switch, not sure. But the NLS, we're gonna have to shut it off for now, so no third gear entries, sadly. But we just need to do a diff right, which one, this should take a very straightforward, it's just modifying a couple little things. But first rip on it, definitely saucier. The throttle response is a lot better than it was with the old Vast tune. So far, very happy with the way it's starting out.
Oh, right on.
Oh, thank you. He brought you a piece.
Whoops. I've never seen one break like that.
You said that's your first?
Yeah. You ever twist an axle? I've twisted it.
Yeah, we on the Audis, we break them off right at the where the spline is.
That's how it is on the New Edge Cobras. It was mid the first corner, and I clutch kicked, and it goes, boom! That thing's fun.
I almost forgot the most important thing, Donnie. My spare tire. Oh, let's put this guy away. I had Donnie laughing earlier with the proxy coming out of the spare. He's like, why do you have a perfectly mint spare tire back there? Well, when I need a spare and I'm gonna actually have to change it out on the side of the road, I wanna make sure there's a good one. That's my pro tip for this video, by the way. Don't cut yourself short on the things that matter when they need to matter. But, guys, SMP, I'm gonna rate this. You know what, I haven't got a rating scale for this one yet, so we're just gonna call this first of the first. It'll be a 5 out of 5 until we figure something else out. But you want seat time, you wanna have just, you know, no judgment area. This is the place to come do it. Like, $120 and we got 2 days. I probably put 20 miles on this car, honestly. Like, yes, it was an hour of cooldown because the radiator's got a leak in it and whatnot. But overall, fantastic weekend. We put towards the end of it here, we did put the Get Walkin' sauce on it, and I will be back to SMP. This place is a lot of fun. I was saying that earlier, battery died, it did the thing. Maybe I'll see you here at SMP someday, or if you guys know any other tracks that do 2-day events, those are the things I love to do. Get down in the comment section, let me know what tracks are local to you that do 2-day style events, you know, and maybe we'll bring the RwdyAudi out there and have some fun. So, till next time, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, peace. We're Audi.